This meditation was created just for you, to give you a moment to pause in the midst of chaos and have some restorative peace. To give you a moment to unplug from all the worries of the world and tune in to yourself. To give you a moment of peace, to help you refresh, recharge, and rejuvenate, so that you can build resilience and bounce back and face whatever challenges lie ahead. You can do this meditation anytime you feel the need to pause and have some peace. The music for this meditation is called probably the best music for relaxation and meditation by Binaural. As we do this meditation, you may notice that your mind starts to wander. That's okay. When this happens, just invite yourself to focus back on your breath and then continue. We have been impacted by a lot this year. Incidents of racial and social injustice, political unrest, natural disasters, war and the pandemic, to name a few. This has left many of us feeling emotional pain, fear, anxiety, exhaustion, and burnout. Let's take a moment to pause and recenter. Let's take a moment to quiet our minds so we can be more present, more at peace. Get in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, whatever feels comfortable to you. Let's start off by grounding ourselves in the space we are in. Take a look around the space. Slowly bring your awareness to this space that you are in. What do you see in this space? What do you hear in this space? Do you notice any fragrances in this space? Slowly run your fingers along the space you are sitting or lying on. Notice what it feels like. Is it soft? Is it hard? Is it cool? Repeat to yourself, I am present in this space. Now close your eyes if you choose, and turn your attention to your breath. Take a few slow, deep belly breaths, filling up your belly with air. Breathe in through your nose, slowly to a count of 4. And then out through your mouth, slowly to a count of 4. Feel the life-giving air as you breathe in and out. Just breathe and find a comfortable rhythm to your breath. Notice how cool the air feels as it comes in through your nose. And how warm the air feels as it goes out through your mouth. Imagine that as you breathe in, you're breathing in calm, cool air. And as you breathe out, you're breathing out tension and anxiety. Breathe in cool, calm, peaceful air, and breathe out warm, tense air. Now take a moment to scan your body and notice any areas of tension. Gently invite those areas to soften and relax. Notice how nice it feels to let go. To relax. And restore. Notice if there are any areas of pain. And imagine a heart filled with light and love. And send this restorative love and light to those areas. Invite those areas to fill with love that you have sent them. And just breathe and send restorative light and love to your body. You deserve this love. You deserve this peace. Now imagine that you are in a very peaceful, healing place. A place that feels very comfortable and relaxing to you. It can be a beach, a forest, a mountain, wherever you would like. A place of your choosing. A place where you feel safe and relaxed, where you can rest. And imagine this place in as much detail as possible. What do you see in this peaceful place? What colors do you see? What is the temperature in this peaceful place? What do you smell in this place? Are you seated or lying down in your special place? What do you feel in this place? Imagine settling in and just being in this place for a while, away from the worries of the world. Just being at peace in this place. There's nothing you need to do, just relax. Notice what it feels like to be in this place relaxing and at peace. Repeat to yourself, may I be well. May I be well. With practice, I can have peace. With practice, I can have peace. Now look around this place one more time and take in all that you see. And all that you feel. And put this special place and how peaceful it makes you feel in your memory. You can take this feeling with you throughout the day. And you can visit this peaceful place whenever you would like to relax and have more peace. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes. Take a look around you. Notice what you see in your space. Feel the connection between you and the surface you are on. Notice the heaviness at the point of contact of you to the chair or the surface you are on. Notice the warmth of the point of contact. Now notice the connection of your feet to the earth or the chair to the earth. Notice how even though we are far apart, we are all connected through the earth, through the air that we breathe, through our humanity. Now imagine that you send the light of love that you used on your own pain out to the earth to help heal the pain that exists in the world. May we have restorative peace. Be well, Panthers.